it's me Familia here, and today Layla and me are planning on painting my dresser, because along the years, I had this dresser for about 4 years or so, and along the way there's pen marks, crayons, stains and stuff, and chips, and we are going to try to repaint this bad boy, and hopefully it looks nice, because it's kind of going to be like a project, because eventually I want to repaint my bed. I love white furniture. I love it. It's just my
bad.
Kids think it's like a canvas for them to just paint and draw.
It's because it's white. And nothing can come off white. You see?
So I am going to attempt to paint it and do, I don't know, hopefully like do the best that we can, and hopefully it turns out well, so we can keep it, right, for a little while longer. Yeah, so let's jump right to it. See, chips and nail polish, marker stains, pen, yeah, glue. Let me go see. Let's look out the window, guys.
What? OMG, Mom.
Layla, help me with the...
Look it.
Oh, it's super... Oh my gosh. It's super windy, but it's not really raining yet. Or is it? I can't tell.
It's going to rain very bad.
Oh my god, look at the trees blowing.
It's kind of like a blizzard. Hey guys. OMG.
The what?
You know downstairs?
Yeah.
The light flickered.
Yeah, I know that. Up here too.
Our light flickered. Oh, there's lightning. Oh my god. It's pouring. Okay, we should go back to work. Yeah, let's go out.
All right, hopefully, oh my god, it looked extra pink. Hopefully the lights do not go out. What was that? Oh my god, I think there's hailing.
No,
What? Oh my god, there's hail, guys. Hold on. I gotta go see this. Babe, there's hail. There's hail.
The whole type of banana?
Yeah.
The whole set of it?
Oh my gosh, guys, look it. It's raining so bad. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Hold the door for me. Hold the door. Hurry up.
Why?
Let's hold it.
Mom, come inside. I'm scared. Mace, go back.
Okay.
Mom, come in back inside. Mom,
There's
come in
hail.
back. Mom, come back inside.
Oh my gosh, she is so nervous. It's already looking better. Okay, so now we're going to let it dry.
How much minutes?
Let's see if we need to do a second layer of coating of white paint. We are going to start with the top now. Obviously that's not gonna, it's like a crack, so we tried to like seal it. It's just probably not the proper word to do it, but that's okay. Not expecting this dresser to last. I mean, I'm not expecting it for it to like last me like 10 more years or anything, because it's old and it's already like wobbly and stuff. I just want to make it look decent just so I can use it for a couple more months, maybe a year or so. But with that being said, I'm going to start painting, and Layla's gonna start painting too. It turned out really nice. There's still a couple patches that I'm waiting for them to get dry before I start putting all my stuff back onto the dresser, but it turned out really nice. There's no more like crayon marks and pen marks and nail polish right there in the corner, excuse the Clorox wipes. And it turned out really great. Like I said, I am going to change these little drawer knobs, but overall this was a very successful project. There is no need to get a whole new dresser. A little bit of paint and it did the job, which I'm really happy with. So yeah, that's it for today's video. It was nothing crazy, you know, but that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.